Hi class, this is a quick video to show you how to install the Texas Instrument program in your computer. Now, if you don't have a computer and you definitely want to use a resource material, you don't have a physical graphing calculator, please know that there are several options out in your app store, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, and you can select whichever works best for you. Okay, so let me show you the steps in installing this program on your computer. I will share the link below so you can follow along as you go forward. Once you click on the link, you should be directed to this exact page, and Texas Instrument is providing the program for free with a 6-month subscription. Okay, so they will provide the key for you to activate it. So please make sure you select the software for students. And when you do, you should be directed to this page. This page will allow you to request whichever program you choose. They have 4 current ones you can select from. Now, we don't need the other ones. You can feel free to choose whichever you prefer, but in my opinion, the first one would be the best. It resembles exactly what we've been using in class. It's something that will be very familiar to you. Okay, so once you've selected the program, you must enter your email like I am doing right here. And when you click on submit, all right, this window will show up. Let me show you real quick. This window right here, it'll prompt you to allow download, and then this window shows up. You will locate the actual file and open it, double click it, open it. Again, it prompts a question, allow to install. Please let it. And once that whole process is over, okay, so let me show you what the program actually looks like. It is super cool. It looks like this. But of course, there are several features. Let me show you the original first. So it resembles just like your normal calculator, what we've been using in class. Okay, so please make sure you select the first one up here on the left corner, select to enter the emulator workspace, and this is what you want to see. Now, of course, you have different options. You have the CE, the colored version, the regular colored version, but in my opinion, the TI-84 Plus should be more than enough to show you whatever you need. And of course, right up here, you have the maximize the screen option, so you can resize your window. The next one will allow you to show the history. So say you're collaborating with your friends, you're talking to person B, you're giving them instructions, you're discussing, right? What this does is it shows you the keys that you've entered. For example, right here, you're seeing that I've entered a couple of things earlier, and that will help you develop that conversation without having to go through all the steps over and over again. And if you do want to close this, you can simply click back on that button upper left corner right here, and you can hide that window. Meanwhile, right next to it, you can select the hide or show the view. This is what this shows. It's super cool. You have 3 different windows. The first one will show you the equations, whatever equation you're typing in. The next one will show you the graph. And then the next one will be the table. So it actually shows you all of the 3 things that you might usually need or usually need to use, right? So let's say I'm going to try and enter the equation for a line. Plus, the program does not really allow you to use the keyboard. Not that I'm aware of, so you do need to use the emulator like a normal calculator. So say we want to enter x plus 3, a linear function. So you would go ahead and still click on x right here, right? Plus 3, like you normally would with a physical one. Now, how do you make these show up? You simply click on the green button right here, and what that does is it replicates the equation, the graph, and of course the sets of points on the green graph. You always have the option. See, if you click on this drop-down menu, you have the different options to view. You can adjust whichever it is you need. If you choose not to have that, you can leave it as blank, and that's absolutely fine. And here's another super cool feature right here. you can take a picture of it, a capture of it, and what that does is you can record this whichever you need at any time. Okay, so this was just a quick feature. Know that this will be available for you, so I highly encourage you to download the program. Hope this was helpful. Again, if you don't have a computer, you always have your phone or other devices that will allow you to download a different program. I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.